Hello moneymakers, last Sunday I was free and had nothing to do. So I decided to scroll and binge watch YouTube videos. After scrolling through multiple videos, I came across one niche that is very unique, and the channel I found got 148,000 subscribers. When I checked their views, more than 3 videos has got a whopping million views on a long-form video. So I decided to work and share this niche to loyal audience for free like I always do. It's now time to reveal the niche and the channels as well. I call this niche as Space News or Space Mystery Niche. The channel which we discussed before is called Elite Vehicle. To my surprise, I found out there are other channels as well who is following the same thing. Check out this channel named Phenomena. They have got 50,000 subscribers in just 9 months alone while working on this niche. The best part is there is not much competition on this niche right now. You can work hard and capitalize on it. Moreover, since the viewership of this niche is from Western countries, the RPM is really very good as well. As per Social Blade, the Uncharted Mysteries is making around $10,000 per month. And the second channel is making around $6,000 on the higher end, as you can see on the Social Blade website. Also, in this video I'm going to show you one of the most amazing AI tools I've used so far. It's called Akool AI. This tool lets you generate everything in one place: images, videos, voices. But the real magic is in its avatars. And I'm not talking about basic avatars. With Akool, you can literally clone yourself. You can record your voice or script, and your avatar will speak it in real time. And here's the crazy part. Akool also supports live streaming, so even if you don't want to be on camera, your AI avatar can go live for you, speak in multiple languages, show your expressions, and interact just like a real person. Whether you're a content creator, a business owner, or an educator, this tool is a total game changer. I'll walk you through how it works later in the video, so don't miss that. I have worked hard since last 2 days to create a tutorial with step-by-step on how to create these videos on YouTube. All you have to do is watch this video till the end, and support me by liking this videos and subscribing to my channel. I have been creating videos on this channel since 1 year now, and hundreds of thousands of people have taken advantage of my learnings and have created their successful channels. I want you to act now and be successful on YouTube, as I am on mission to help 1 million people start their YouTube channels. So grab a cup of coffee and watch this video till the end as I reveal all the secret to start a channel in this niche. Let's get started. Alright, so let's go step by step. So first of all, to build this type of channel, we need to stay active. I mean, we should know what's currently happening in space, who's sharing what kind of information, and stay updated with news from all countries. And I know we all aren't free all the time, so what you need to do is keep referring to these channels from time to time. The topics they are covering, those same topics you need to cover too. You don't need to think too much about it. If you watch all these channels, you'll see they are covering similar video topics because everyone has to follow the current trending topics, and you need to do the same. Apart from that, you can also take help from ChatGPT. Like, you just have to go to ChatGPT and type, "Analyze these channels," or copy all the information from these channels from the last 1 month like this, and paste it into ChatGPT. And as you can see, ChatGPT will create a complete overview of all the channels in just a few seconds. Which niche it is, how many topics are there, how many views they have, what their strategy is, and everything else. So now we'll ask ChatGPT to generate currently trending topics related to this niche. For that, I've created a perfect ChatGPT prompt, which I've added to my Google Doc. You'll find the link to that in the description. Just join the Telegram and WhatsApp channel to get it. Alright, so copy that prompt and give it to ChatGPT, and there we go. ChatGPT will give us a lot of video topics which you can modify as per your need. Alright, so just to show you the demo, I'll choose this one. Elon Musk says first alien signal recorded. Now after finding the topic, you need to write a script on it. You have to research that topic, collect the information, and then write a script. However, if you're not good at writing, don't worry. You can take help from AI too. Just collect some article links and some YouTube video transcripts. Then again, open my Google Doc, copy the script generation prompt, paste your topic, article links, and everything you collected, and give it to ChatGPT. And there we go. ChatGPT will give us a perfect script that you can use. However, read the complete script and modify it as per your choice. I'll also add a realistic avatar in my video to make it look more engaging and real. So I asked ChatGPT to give me suggestions on where to add the avatar. Alright, so we have the script. Now let's move to the next step. In the next step, we'll generate the news avatar. Here, you can generate it for the whole video, or add it in between, just like ChatGPT suggested. For that, we'll use this tool called Akool. With this tool, you can generate avatars, translate videos into any language, do face swap in videos, turn images into videos, generate images, generate voice. And the best part, you can even create a live avatar that looks exactly like you. That's amazing, right? You get all these features in just one tool. Alright, now to generate the avatar, go to Talking Avatar, then choose 16:9 from there. After that, you can upload an image of your avatar here if you already have one in mind. Otherwise, you can choose any avatar from the available options. There are many options available with different professions, positions, and locations. And if you want to create your own custom avatar, then click on Create. From there, choose Instant Avatar, then you need to record your video here according to the instructions given. You can either record it live or upload a pre-recorded video. So here I have randomly uploaded a news anchor video. But if you want to use your own video with your own voice, you can do that too. Now, let's hit submit and wait for a while. In just a short time, it will create your cloned avatar and give it to you. And there we go. Our avatar is ready. I had uploaded a video without voice, so it doesn't have any sound. Now let's create an avatar video using this one. Now you have to select the voice. You can either add your own audio or clone your own voice, or select from the available options here. I will go with the wise lady voice. Now let's copy the script from here. I'm generating 2 paragraphs as this is just for demo. Wherever you want to create different parts, copy only those lines accordingly. Now paste the script and hit generate. Give your avatar project a name and let it start generating. And in a little while it will be ready. Meanwhile, let's move on to the next step while this is being generated. In the next step, we need to find images and videos related to our topic. There are 2 methods. You can either create them using AI or use real ones available on the internet. But I will mix both so that the video feels more relatable. So let's first go with the AI method. For that, again, go to my Google Doc, copy the image prompt, and give it to ChatGPT. Then paste 2 paragraphs from your script. We won't do the entire script at once because that would generate random image prompts. Mention how many scenes you need for those 2 paragraphs, and there we go. ChatGPT has given us the image prompts and also the prompts to convert those images into videos. Now let's copy the prompt and go back to Skool AI. From there on the dashboard, select the image generation option. Then in the style section, select the base style. Now paste the prompt, select the number of images, select the image ratio, and hit generate. And here we are, our image is ready. Look at the result. It's amazing. Now let's copy the second prompt and generate another image. And here is the result. In this way, you need to keep generating images one by one and downloading them. Alright, now you can also convert these images into videos if you want. For that, select the image to video option from here. You can generate all types of videos here. Alright, now you have to upload the image here, then in the prompt box, paste the prompt that ChatGPT gave you, and hit generate. And here it is, our video is generated. Now let's copy another video prompt and generate another video. And here's the second video result. It was amazing, right? In this way, you can keep creating videos from whichever images you want. So I've generated all the images and videos using Akool AI. Now let's move on to the next step. In the next step, you need to generate a voiceover. That too you can do using Akool. There are many voice options available here. But since I've decided to make the full video using an avatar, I'm skipping this step for now. Now go to Google and download topic-related images and videos that you can find. So my video is related to Elon Musk detects alien, so I'll download some images related to that. Oh, and yes, we forgot to check our avatar video. It's now generated, let's check the result.
In the stillness of space, sound is impossible. But sometimes, even silence screams. Last month, Elon Musk sent a ripple through the scientific world with a single statement. We've picked up something that might not be from Earth. Not a launch. Not a rocket. Not a tweet about Mars.
Look at the result, it looks real. I just uploaded a random video of a news anchor. But if you upload a proper video, where you're sitting in front of the camera and speaking with a plain green or light background, the result will be even better. You'll find the link to this tool in the video description. Alright, now we've collected all the material. Let's move on to the next step, editing. Before that, I'll go to Canva and download some grid backgrounds that we'll use during editing. After that, go to the YouTube audio library and search for news background. You'll see a few options. Choose the music that fits your video best and download it. Alright, now let's move to the editing part. You can use any editing tool that you're comfortable with. For now, I'll use CapCut. First, upload all the material into it. Then, I'll add the avatar video to the timeline first. After that, I'll start adding the AI videos and images in between, placing them on the layer above. In this way, I'll keep switching, avatar for a while, then image and video, based on what fits. You have to use your creativity and apply your own ideas while editing to make it good. Next, you can also add text. Choose the default text box, write your text, choose the color, font, size, and everything from the left side. Keep adding images, videos, and text like this until the end. You can also try different effects from the effects section, like TV effect, old TV, and many others. That's just an example. Then finally, add your background music. Reduce the volume. Make sure it doesn't overpower the original voice. And that's it. Click export and download it to your computer. So guys, this is how you can make space news videos using only one tool. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Now let's check out the demo video.
Elon Musk stood on stage, not to talk about Mars, or Tesla, or the latest AI breakthrough. This time, his words carried the weight of something far more profound.
We've picked up something that might not be from Earth.
It wasn't a launch. It wasn't a rocket. It wasn't a tweet about Dogecoin. It was a signal. And what came next would shake even the most skeptical corners of science. A whisper from the cosmos, recorded not in deep space, but within our very own solar system. In April 2025, several deep space listening posts, including one operated jointly by SpaceX and the SETI Institute, detected a strange transmission. Unlike the random background noise of the universe, this one stood out. It repeated. It had structure. It lasted precisely 51.2 seconds. This signal wasn't just unusual. It was impossible to explain by any known astrophysical source. And that's when Musk made his announcement, engineers freezing mid-task, this is real. We're still decoding it. But we've never seen anything like it.